Hello everyone. Welcome back to SmartSpan. Today, we're diving into something practical, how to create your QR codes for free. Whether you're a business owner, a teacher, or someone who loves exploring tech, QR codes are everywhere. And the best part? You can create them in just a few clicks using QRCodeMonkey. Ready to learn? Let's get started. Before we begin, if you're curious about how QR codes actually work, check out our video How Do QR Codes Work? I've linked it in the description and pinned it in the comments below. It'll give you a clear overview of what's happening behind the scenes of these little black and white grids. Alright, so let's talk about QRCodeMonkey. It's a free, easy-to-use online tool that allows you to create QR codes for almost any purpose, be it sharing a URL, displaying text, generating V-card contact details, or even connecting to Wi-Fi. Simply go to QRCodeMonkey.com, and you'll be greeted with a straightforward interface, no sign-up required. Let's create a QR code together. Follow these simple steps. Step 1, choose the type of QR code. On the home page, you'll see options for different QR code types, such as URL, text, email, location, and more. For this example, let's create a QR code for my channel. Step 2, customize the design. Here's where QRCodeMonkey shines. You can change the colors, add your logo, and even adjust the shape of the QR code. Let's make it eye-catching. Step 3, generate and download. Once satisfied, click the green Create QR Code button, and voila! Your QR code is ready. Hit download to save it to your device. Now that we've downloaded our QR code, let me show you how it works when scanned. This will help you see exactly how your audience or users will experience it. I'll use a QR code scanner app to scan it. As soon as I point my camera at the QR code, a notification or link pops up. Let's tap on it to see where it takes us. And there you have it. The QR code successfully takes us to the link we created. It's that simple and super user-friendly. Imagine how convenient this can be for sharing websites, contact details, or any other information. Now that you've created your QR code, here are some creative ways to use it. Add it to your business card to share contact details instantly. Print it on flyers or posters to promote events or websites. Use it in classrooms to share assignments or resources. Generate a Wi-Fi QR code for guests at home or your cafe. Remember, always test your QR code before sharing it widely. Use your phone's camera or a QR code scanner to ensure it works perfectly. Also, avoid cluttered designs. Simple is often better when it comes to readability. And that's it. Creating a QR code has never been easier, thanks to QRCodeMonkey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And hey, check out our other video, How Do QR Codes Work? For a deeper understanding. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep exploring and creating. Bye.